Okay, this is our most recent bear. It's a bear that combines a genuine K2, so we've taken the circuitry from that. So that's the EMF side, and then we've also got the REMPOD, so it's a dual bear in that sense. So as you would with a K2 meter, you've got a first green light, which we've changed to blue, which we just put in there, so that obviously indicates that first green light, and that's showing the presence of the magnetic field. So I've just dropped the lights so you can see that lights up quite well, and then as we put the EMF pump next to a bear, you'll see that that's deflecting. We'll ease it off. So we've used all the colours from the K2, so it goes green, yellow, and through to orange, and then to red. So that's simply the K2, the EMF side of things. Next is the REM, the proximity. Probably see a little antenna to the left. So it generates this magnetic field around the bear, and when something breaks that field, it'll obviously trigger the REM. So for a REM, we've put two purpley pink colour LEDs in the cheeks. So once we interrupt the field, it'll also trigger the K2 as well, because of the EMF, the unsettled EMF. So you can see it in the cheeks, and then it's also deflecting the K2 up to 2 bars. Okay, so we built, this is a third custom bear we built after posting on social media. These will be going on our website very shortly, which is infraready.co.uk. So I'll just give you the details. If you visit our website, then you can access all our social media links, and you'll also find our link to this YouTube channel. So please like and subscribe and share to all your fellow associates, colleagues, friends and ghost hunting groups. Thanks for watching.